Hello everyone, my name is David Solorzano Segovia and I would like to introduce you my topic, which is the importance of other cultures in the United States. I really like this opportunity to share with you my thoughts and my arguments because I have been living in this country for the last 2 years and a half, and I have been learning each day from different countries and even from this one. The world is slowly turning into a place where exclusion and racism are taking a detrimental role in society. It's important to recognize the different situations in between the United States of America and other countries. The situation of people from other countries are very different. They are not as blessed as this country is. I would like to talk as well about how could other cultures benefit this country. Like you're able to see, I took a picture of an American flag. This American flag is really special, not only because it doesn't have stars, but because it has people inside the flag. There are people in blue, people in white, and people in red. But at the end, they are all united with only one purpose, that is making the American flag. It's interesting how this flag works, because if you take the people in blue out of the flag, it's just not gonna be the American flag anymore. And it will happen the same with the people in red and white. The people in the flag is basically supporting this country, supporting the flag. Now, if we talk about this country, there are people from different ethnicities, cultures, or even colors who support this country in different ways. Some people have been working hard to provide a better economy to the country. Other people have been working in education. And basically, people from different cultures, from different colors, have been helping this country to be better in so many different ways. I'm grateful for the opportunity that I have to live in this country.